Hello everybody, CJ Compton here at Bryant Road, B-R-Y-A-N-T Road. I was just gonna say, does this crossing look familiar? I know I have not been here in a while. But anyway, we have a train coming, check it out, roll it. This is a westbound train. Oh yeah, and about that last video, I am not gonna be out in Chelsea this weekend. I thought I was going to, but I changed my mind. I will be heading to Burroughs Road this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. This is the CP231. I believe it is, I'm not sure. Because it doesn't look like it's that it's the Norfolk Southern 121. And sorry for a little shaking here. Or should I say sorry about the shakes. This is the CP231. I believe it is, I'm not sure. Because it doesn't look like it is the Norfolk Southern 121. But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. And my grandma is just watching something, so if you hear something in the video, that's not me. I'm videoing currently, so it can't be me, but anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Oh, it's not, I'm wrong. Okay, that is something you do not ever see. Those were empty intermodal cars by the end. You hardly see those over here. I don't know where those cars came from, because I don't usually see those kind of train cars that go through here normally. But anyway, the symbol on that train is the Canadian Pacific the 529. And once again, with extra cars. Although this time it did not have as many. The 529 starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west to Elkhart, Indiana, where it terminates. All on this Friday, July 25th of 2025, from CJ Compton on YouTube. Well, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I hope you all enjoyed, and that is it.